the videos, see them in motion and play. Join our journey every single day. I hope we can fix the parts that don't align. Capture nice videos worth every dime. With every turn of a bolt, every spark, in Mike's garage we create our mark. I can fix almost all, but I'm no pro, just a happy amateur learning as I go. With grease on my hands and dreams in my heart, in Mike's garage it's more than just a start. Mike's garage, where dreams come alive. With every machine roar, new hopes survive. Not just about fixing, but I hope you all can see, it's about passion, crafting our destiny. Okay, now we take the week and make it our own. In Mike's garage, where new ideas are sown. From Monday to Sunday, hear those engines cry. Building dreams together, we'll reach for the sky. This isn't the end. In Mike's garage, where goodbyes aren't pretend. Until next time, keep the engines on track. With passion and dreams, we'll always come back. Bye for now, but not for too long. In this place of dreams where we all belong.